so I can't turn it on or anything right now because I have a full face of makeup, but it looks slightly terrifying, but it's also amazing. I literally look like a Jabberwocky. Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be fun. This is fun, slightly terrifying looking, but so fun. You guys are gonna love hearing about this product. Follow me, you know I am huge on skincare, anti-aging, all the things, and so any opportunity I get to try something new that might be an awesome skincare product, I jump on it. So when this one popped up, I was like, oh hell yes. This is the Rejuvenating Skin LED Mask from Project E-Beauty, and it's crazy, but I love it. So let's just jump right in and break it down for you guys. What the hell is this thing? This is a mask. I will show you guys what the inside looks like. It is lined with high-powered LED lights, which LED light is used, if you guys know a lot about some more intense skincare treatments, a lot of light waves can be used for healing, regeneration of the skin. They stimulate collagen production, they can help with scarring. Like, there's so many things that LED light is used now in skincare to treat. But also as preventative, like there's so many uses. I've seen a lot of facials online where they use red light therapy, and it's really good for the skin to like repair itself and regenerate itself, and it's really good. This is a face and neck mask, which it has the little sunglassy looking things here, and then it also has a strap on the neck part. So like, as terrifying as this looks, you like strap it all onto your face. You use it with clean, dry skin. You can also use it in conjunction with skincare products. There's actually a hyaluronic acid serum from Project E-Beauty that came with the mask, but you guys know, like, I have a million hyaluronic acid serums and other serums that I love already. But basically, like, tell me this isn't the ultimate, like, self-care, VIP, at-home DIY spa day to slather your face with some really powerful ingredients in a serum that are gonna do good for your skin, and then lay back with this baby on? Yes, please. Andrew probably is gonna think it's crazy. He's gonna think it's terrifying. It looks a little bit like a Jabberwocky, but I'm here for it. First of all, there are some warnings on this mask, so I wanted to be sure to read them to you guys. Things you should consult with a doctor before using. If you have been diagnosed with any form of cancer, if you have any acute infectious diseases or fevers, if you suffer from nausea, any dysfunctions or disorders of the nervous system, don't use after drug or alcohol use. That can get a little crazy. If you suffer from any inflammatory diseases, epilepsy, heart disease, hemophilia, thrombosis, I don't even know what that is. Or if you are pregnant, consult with a doctor before using this. So this is wireless, like I said. There's an adapter to plug it into the wall to charge it, or what I think is super handy and I love, it has this little remote. So I'm gonna show you guys up close. It has power, energy is how bright it's gonna be. You're gonna select from the 7 different light wave types in the center. The time increase or decrease, that's to decrease the energy, and this is the start and stop. It also has this little screen here, so you're gonna be able to see exactly what you're pressing and exactly what you're doing. I have so much to tell you with this. I literally have the manual out so I don't forget anything. So it is suggested that you do not use the mask for more than 20 minutes each time. The suggested operating time is between 10 and 15 minutes. It also says more than likely you will wanna start with one 10-minute treatment 4 times a week to start. Some other useful tips: when you need to clean this, you can rub it down with rubbing alcohol, but do not put this near water, heat. It says to avoid like heat vents, sinks. Don't wear it in the shower, don't wear it in the bathtub, because it is an electronic device and we don't want anyone to get electrocuted. So I'm gonna hold this up so you guys can see what it looks like with the different types of lights, and then I'm gonna tell you what each type of light does. So let me get my facts so I don't f anything up. Okay, so I'm going to hit the power button. It beeps. I'm going to hit the start, and you'll see the red lights have come on. That looks really trippy in the camera. Red light penetrates approximately 8 to 10 millimeters into the skin, and it is really good at stimulating collagen production. So this is gonna help your skin look smooth, youthful. It can reduce wrinkles and also make your skin more elastic. This is actually the light wave I've heard the most about. I know there's a lot of places you can get red light therapy. I know there's a lot of gyms. I think Planet Fitness has like a red light booth you can go in that's really good for the skin. So red light is definitely popular, and it's definitely going to be a powerful anti-aging setting to put this on. Honestly, this is probably what I'll be using the most on this. So I do want to show you guys like energy. It's up higher. You can turn it down lower. I'm so into this, it's ridiculous. So after red, if you press it again, it goes to green. It doesn't look green on the screen, but you can see it on my face, it's green. So green light is going to help brighten the skin. It's really good for the lymphatic system, which is where you bloat or feel puffy. So it's gonna help with the lymphatic drainage to make your skin look contoured and tight. Green light is also proven to help with mental stress. So a lot of people like to use it to help themselves relax at the end of a rough day. Now, if I press this again, we are on blue light. The blue light is great for sensitive or oily skin types. It doesn't penetrate quite as deep. Blue light kills bacteria. It can help with inflammation and acne. So blue light is really good for clearing the skin if you have breakouts. I've seen the acne masks they sell in the stores from like Neutrogena and stuff, and they are always this blue light. So if you guys are prone to acne, the blue light setting is probably gonna be your favorite one. So this is referred to as the cyan light. You can see it's like a really light greenish yellow. I have to show you like the reflection on my face because it's hard to see in the camera. This is another setting that is great for acne and skin inflammation. This is also going to stimulate protein and collagen in this, so it's going to kind of double whammy you with a little bit of anti-aging as well. I press it again, we are doing white light. The white light is also going to be great for anti-aging. White light triggers your skin's natural renewal system. So it's gonna help reverse the look of aging, and it's gonna also help prevent you from further aging too. Next is purple light. You can see, so pretty. So this is gonna help with the blood circulation of your skin and the tissue. This is gonna help you shrink pores, but it's also again gonna trigger wrinkles, acne, like blood circulation, which is great for the skin, and also your lymph metabolism. And it's also going to help get rid of yellowish or jaundiced complexions. Interesting, I didn't know that. And the last setting is yellow light. The yellow light works with the lymphatic and nervous systems to balance sensitive skin. So it's really gonna focus on a lot of things. Yellow light is gonna be great for fading your dark spots, your freckles, and your blemishes and scarring from them. This one's really gonna rejuvenate the skin, so it's a great way to repair from damage. Now I'm gonna turn this off because it's like blaring in my face. But when you do hit each one, it automatically goes to the 20-minute setting, and you can lower the time and change it if you don't want to do it the full 20 minutes. I'm gonna insert a few clips of how I've been using this so you guys can actually see it in action and not me just standing here talking about it. But this has been really fun. I've honestly really enjoyed this. When I first saw it, I was like, this looks terrifying and kind of creepy, and it kind of looks like a Jabberwocky if you remember who the Jabberwockies were. But this has been a great way, let me say, to incorporate more self-care in my routine and make myself relax, because when I put this on, feel like I can't really like walk around and do much because it's kind of awkward. So it makes me actually like sit down and take the time to relax and like do something special and treat myself while also taking care of my skin. So before I show you guys those clips of me actually using this in real time, I did want to let you guys know Project eBeauty was kind enough to give me a 10% code for you guys to use to get 10% off your order, because it is a pricier splurge skincare item. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I think it's totally worth it, and hashtag treat yourself. So I will have the link and the code down in the description bar on YouTube. But the code you're gonna use at checkout is SarahOrdo10 off, and that's gonna take 10% off of it, which, like I said, it's a pricier item, so that is a pretty big discount off of the total. Okay, guys, so I'm in my bedroom, and I wanna give you a visual of like what this looks like on and how I use it. So this has the sunglass things. So you slide that on, and then the neck part has this like band that attaches, so it holds it really securely in place. Now I will say, this is a little heavy. This is it's hard to like see or move around a lot with it. So it makes you like lay down. So I literally hook everything up. My face is clean. I took all my makeup off. I just have that hyaluronic acid serum on, and then you're gonna see I'm just gonna like lay back and give myself the 15-20 minutes to relax, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I do that. So like I said, this is the red light. This is the first setting. There's all 7 lights. As you press this, you can change which light is on. There is a protective ringer on the eyes, so like it's not really bothering me. It's not super bright. I like to do the red light therapy the most, so I'm gonna sit back and let this go for about 15 minutes, and then we'll be back to normal video to tell you the rest of the information about this mask. Well, I know this looks a little terrifying, and Andrew was making so much fun of me with it on, but I swear to God, I took an Insta story the other day after sitting and doing my 20 minutes with the red light, and my skin looked so dewy and smooth and hydrated and just amazing. So I am literally going to be doing this more often. In the manual, it said you can do it 4 times a week, but like I'm definitely making this a part of my weekly routine. Even though it looks a little crazy, it's a little intense,
It's definitely interesting and new, and I'm kind of loving the results I'm seeing already. So who wouldn't want to lay around with this crazy ass looking mask on if it's gonna give them amazing skin?
So this has been such a fun new item in my skincare routine. I have loved testing it out and being able to share it with you guys because we're girls and we love this shit. Like, this is what we live for. So if you're looking for something to splurge on, something special, and you love skincare, definitely check out the LED Photon Rejuvenation Mask from Project eBeauty. I'll have the link down below. But if you love skincare like me, this is really going to be like a next level step in your skincare routine. It's gonna bring that spa, that medi spa, that dermatologist office experience into your own home, so that number one, you're not blowing the bank, number two, you can be balling on a budget, and number three, you can treat yourself at home to a luxurious, indulgent, expensive skincare treatment in the comfort of your own home without even having to get out of your pajamas, which I am all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video all about the LED face mask with healing light properties. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this mask. Are you intrigued? Do you think it's crazy? Are you gonna try it? Make sure you guys are also giving this video a thumbs up. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you did not hit the button already, hit it now so you do not miss anything else. I will have my face on the screen here per usual. If you click it, you'll be subscribed to my channel, and I'll also have some other videos for you guys to check out as well. But I think that is all I have to say for right now. So you guys, I'm about to go take off my makeup, Jabberwocky up, and treat myself and relax. So I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.